Folks, this is John over at 5 Star Auto. Here I have a black truck, F-150. See if I can find it here. We're asking $13,788. It's got 162 on it. Let me give you a video around it real quick. It's got a nice lift on it. It's got flares on it. It's got a tonneau cover on it. It's got a lot of room in this truck. It's a one-owner truck. Carfax on it. Beautiful truck. Nice running boards on it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got cruise control. It's got the CD player, some of the best AC. It's got center console, split seats. That's what I want to show you right here. I don't know about you, but I got kids. They can't reach back that seat to kick it. It's got so much room in it. That's what I like it. So if you can travel and you carry your kids, this has got plenty of room. Got a lot of upgrades on it. Nice lift to it. Wheels and tires. Beautiful 4x4 truck. They can pull over 9,800 pounds. Absolute beautiful truck. Again, I'm John Woosley at 5 Star Auto, and you can call me at 865-233-7045. 865-233-7045. Or you can call my cell number, 865-951-3841. 865-951-3841. And again, it's John Woosley, 5 Star Auto. I do appreciate it. Thank you.